Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I want to show you how to answer. We have the formula in here. That is about sine A plus B equals to sine A cosine B plus cosine A sine B. Now about 3x we can put into s plus 2x, and now we need to transform this one into this one. So we have sine s cosine 2s plus cosine s sine 2s. So cosine s divided by cosine s, we have number 1. The integration of sine 2s, we have negative 1 over 2 cosine 2s, and now we need to concentrate on this one. So we know that cosine 2s, that is about 2 cosine s squared minus number 1. And now we have sine s multiplied by 2 cosine s squared and negative number 1. So this one divided by this one, so we have cosine s, sine s divided by cosine s, we keep the same. We know that 2 sine s cosine s, that is about sine 2s. The integration of this one, we have negative 1 over 2 cosine 2s. And the next one with the negative in here, we have positive ln of the absolute value of cosine s. And I will put about c. Now we go back in here. The integration of this one, that is about this one. And this one, we have negative number 1. This is the end. Thank you for watching.